Thank you for joining the PayMaker video series. Today we are going to walk through PayMaker Advanced and how to customize your invoice template. On the top right hand corner, if you select Settings, you can navigate to Receivables and Invoice Templates. From here you can manage existing invoice templates or create a new invoice. I would recommend giving it a default name. If you wish to make this invoice template your default invoice, go ahead and select this link. And then which style are you looking for your invoice template? It'll always show you a sample invoice on the top right hand corner. From here, select which fields you wish to include in your invoice template, and then select Save. This is how you create an invoice template using PayMaker Advanced. With PayMaker Advanced, it's super easy to customize your email templates when sending invoices to your customers. Under the Settings tab, and under Receivables, select Email Templates, and then select the Edit link on the top right-hand corner. And from here, you can customize the email that is sent along with the invoice to your customers. This is how you establish recurring invoices and customize your email templates using PayMaker Advanced.